Radio controlled 1/12 scale Lamborghini. There's a lot we can do with this. What we're going to do is unbox it, do our best to get this reviewed for you. Let's get this show rolling. Everything out of the box. We have a precision screwdriver, pistol grip remote control for left or right hand, the hardware kit that has battery for the car, the charging cable, and the steering wheel for the pistol grip, and a card. This is a 7.4 900 milliamp battery. It is considered a 2S battery, and please be very careful with batteries. Always make sure you match red for red. Now, there won't be a marking here on the red, so what you're going to do is start to look for the little notch that's right over here, and you're going to plug that in and hear it click. You're going to go charge this up, and when this light turns off, you're ready to put this into the car. Give you a nice close-up look. Red is charged in and the green light is charging. When that green light stops flashing, we are fully charged. When removing out of the box, you had this little knob that was holding on to the actual controller. Please take it to the side. And if you like to be left-handed or right-handed, you're now going to try to put this on correctly. Push in, and that's all you have to do. Lefty, with your right thumb, as you're turning, that'll be clockwise turn. With your left thumb, that'll be counterclockwise turn. So the car is going to go to the left, the car is going to go to the right. Squeezing on the trigger will go forward. Going out that way will go reverse. Giving it a little reverse will offer brake. Underneath of the controller is a screw. We're going to loosen up the screw to expose where we put in some batteries. When the screw's out, you're going to push this into the back. It's going to release and come out to put in 2 AA batteries. They are not included, so go get 2 AA batteries. Always place in brand new batteries. Don't ever place in old batteries, especially when you're using a remote control car. Close it on up the best you can and take your time. Take a nice look at the car. You have foldable mirrors, a nice large glass, an open sunroof, big tires, lights in the front, lights in the rear. Underneath, you have a right and a left. You have where the battery will go in. If you want to keep this car turning to one particular side, that's where this gear will come into play. You turn this all the way to the right, and then when you just go racing, that car will never go a straight line and get lost. It always go in a circle. As the car is upside down, you're going to loosen up this screw. That's going to be where you're going to put the battery in every single time. And that run time is going to last you a number of minutes. There is an on and off switch, and it's located right over here. On is on the outside towards the passenger. On is towards the driver's side. So what we're going to do is match the red lead to the red lead. And we're going to load this in. You're going to place the battery in one particular way. The cable is going to go around, around, and around. And the battery goes in like so. Then you're going to take the door and you're going to simply lock it down. You can put the screw back in so you don't lose any of the doors. This is a good tip. Put a box underneath the car when you're testing the unit out. Always and always, transmitter first, car last. These two should sync up, and we should be ready to go and race. There you go. The rear wheels spin, and they go reverse. Take note of the car. If the front has headlights that light up, and take note of the rear, that they also light up as well. We're going to go for a test spin. We're going to make a left turn, a right turn, a forward, and a reverse. The RC car can go quite a long distance. You want to be careful not to get out of LOS, line of sight. You want to play nearby and not in the street. This is an indoor and outdoor Lamborghini RC 1/12 scale car. Excellent indeed. After you have your fun outside, you're going to go to the car and shut it off. And then you're going to shut the transmitter off last. Now, you're going to take out the battery, put it on the charger, and go have some fun for later time. The Lamborghini Sion Roadster. Man, it's loads of fun. Great for a child to go out there and enjoy fun with the adult with his RC cars and trucks. This is very authentic. It's a very good looking truck and all. Definitely indeed. You got something that is really nice for a showcase. It could be indoor fun all along. You could do a lot of things with the RC cars. It's a great product indeed. I hope you enjoy yours if this product is right for you.